students. As I said in the previous video, in this particular video, we are going to learn about structures of financial market. So before going into the structures of financial market, we should know what is mean by financial market. Financial market is a place where the people will go and buy the financial asset as well as services. So it is simply, if I want to tell, it is a place where the client will go and buy the financial assets and services. So as I said previously, so the financial market we are classifying broadly into two: capital market and money market. So the capital market is meant for long term purpose. Money market is meant for short-term purpose. The capital market is governed by SEBI, which means the Security Board of India. Money market is meant for short term, which is governed by RBI, which is nothing but Reserve Bank of India. Okay, so capital market, furthermore, we are classified into two categories: primary market and secondary market. Primary market is a market which will allow you to buy the fresh issues. For example, a company is coming out the first time to raise the funds, then that particular companies will comes under primary market. Using the primary market, we can able to buy. We can't able to sell the asset. Secondary market is meant for issued security trade. Whatever is issued in the primary market, those securities we can able to sell it in the secondary market. So these are all the instruments will comes under primary market. As I said, these are all the instrument. It's traded in short term perspective, which is promissory note, treasury bills, commercial paper, certificate of deposit, repurchase agreement, bankers acceptance. So these are all the instruments are said to be money market instruments. Why we are telling it as a money market instrument? Because it is said to be a short term investment. Next is capital market instruments. So capital market instrument, as I said, we are classifying into two broader categories: primary market and secondary market. Primary market is a market which will help us to issue the shares in the public domain, and secondary market is allow the public to resell whatever they are having it in their hand. So by learning this particular unit, now you are in a position to draw the structure of financial market. Thank you. We'll meet with the next video.